What mods have you done to this?
Just it's got a KTEC full system on it, Decat, and it's just got the Renault Air Induction Kit on it.
Yeah.
As far as I'm aware, that's it.
Tidy, isn't it?
Yeah, it is a really nice car, definitely.
Yeah, I like these.
Yeah, I've always wanted one, and then always wanted a liquid yellow one as well.
Yeah.
Just looking about, I thought I'm going to do it, I'll do it properly.
They're probably only going to go up in value, I'd imagine, to be fair.
Yeah, exactly. That's quite a nice spec one, really. It's got obviously the trophy wheels,
Yeah.
trophy Recaros in it. It's got KW coilovers on it.
Nice. What are you hoping for, obviously?
Don't know, I've got a printout from RS2 like years ago. I don't know what mods it had then when it done it. I think it was 175 at the floor. So it's obviously lost a little bit.
Well, it's going to.
But,
you know, what is it, 2004? So
yeah.
17-year-old car. I think if you get anywhere near 180, it's something to be happy about, do you know what I mean?
Yeah, that's what I thought. Somewhere near, or even if it made 175 again, but obviously now it's got the exhaust and stuff.
Yeah, sound nice.
I'm happy. Yeah, it was a really nice car.
Yeah, that sounds
Lovely
nice.
to drive as well.
They're a little track toy, aren't they? So
Yeah.
that's good. Well, we'll find out in a minute, won't we?